Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Stripe using payout schedule and reserves, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from your Stripe account, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the balance section located in the left sidebar. Here, you will see your available balance and upcoming payouts. Next, understand that Stripe operates on a payout schedule. This means that funds are usually transferred to your bank account based on a specific time frame. Generally, the payout schedule can range from daily to weekly or even longer, depending on your account settings and business type. To check your payout schedule, click on Payouts in the left sidebar. This section will show you scheduled payouts along with their expected dates. If you need to transfer funds immediately, remember that payouts are subject to reserves. Reserves are funds held by Stripe to manage risk. These can affect when you'll receive your money. To manage your reserves, go to the Settings section. In Settings, look for the Payouts tab. Here, you can find information about any reserves that are being held on your account. To request a payout manually, return to the Balance section. You can choose to initiate a manual payout if your available balance allows for it. Click on Payout Funds to begin this process. You will then select the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure this amount complies with any reserves or pending balances. Review the payout details before confirming. Finally, click Payout to complete the withdrawal process. You should receive a notification confirming your payout request has been submitted. Keep in mind that payouts may take a few business days to reach your bank account. During this time, you can monitor the status through the Payouts tab. If there are any issues with your payout, Stripe will notify you via email. Should you have further questions, consult Stripe's support documentation for additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.